Good evening, student. Here I am making very short videos on different information. So let us see. Here I am talking about the format of bibliography. So, what is the format of bibliography? To write a Chicago style bibliography, right? So that UGC follows Chicago style bibliography. So, here they say that create a new page at the end of your paper titled bibliography, right? So, first we have to write in the new page, right? At the end of your page title bibliography, and at the end of the page we have to start bibliography and list all sources, means after a research paper, full length paper, that at the end of our paper, research paper, we mention bibliography and list all sources alphabetically by the author's last name. So suppose we have taken 15 15 authors, right? So first we have to sort out according to author's surname. We have to sort out the list alphabetically and use a hanging indent for each entry. Hanging indent means where the first line is flush with the margin and subsequent lines are indented. Means this is the page. Let me make it again. Suppose this is the page, right? Okay. Now first line hanging in indent means this is the first line. This is the first line, so which is start with the margin, first line, and subsequent line would start from here, this way. This is called hanging indent. Okay, so now subsequent lines are indent, means we have to take a space for a book. Very important, and that's why this video is made. For a book, the format is first author's last name. Please take care. Author's last name, right? So here author's last name, and then first name, then book title, then place of publication, and then publishers. That's a published year, right? Repeating first this way: author's last name, number 1; first name, number 2; book title, number 3; place of publication, fourth one; publisher, fifth one; and year, sixth one. So please take care. This order we have to follow when we write the detail in bibliography. Example is, for example, Estelle, the surname, Mary S, that is name, right? So that's a surname is last name. Here you can do the comparison. Wait a minute. Okay, now here that's an author's surname or last name. This one, right? Then last, that's a first name, so this is first name. Then book is yeah, sorry, I'm very sorry. Wait a minute. Actually, yeah, that's a last name, then first name, then book title. This is book title, right? Okay. Then place of publication, right? Sorry. Then place of publication. This is place of publication, right? Then publisher. So this is publisher, okay? And then year. This is year. So please take care when you write. This is the order we have to follow. First, author's last name. Then first, that's the author's last name. Then author's first name. Then book title. So this is book title, right? Then place of publication, right? Then publisher. This is publisher and year. So please follow this. Key formatting rules. What's the rules? Title. Center the word bibliography at the top of the page. When you finish your paper, research paper, then from the new page, in the center, we have to write bibliography. This way. This is the page. So this is the center. Okay. Now, spacing, single space each entry, but double space between entries. So for each entry single space, but then you take another book, then here double space, right? So please take care. That's a single space, right? And here double space. Then this way, okay? So this way we have to enter the space. Indentation, use a ½ inch hanging indent for each entry. So hanging indent, we have seen that this is a page, right? So hanging in and this a margin. So that's a hanging indent, means first line from margin and then second, third, fourth line from this. So that's this way it will look that like this, right? So that is hanging indent for each entry. Then alphabetization. So alphabetization, arrange entries alphabetically by the author's last name, as we discussed earlier. That's a author's last name. First we have to find out how many authors we have taken. We have given reference of number of books and authors. So first of all we have to find out the surname, and then surname or last name, or according to last name we have to sort out the list of book. Then alphabetically we have to write, we have to follow the order, right? So if a title has no author, alphabetize it by the first significant word, ignoring a, an, or the. So we don't have to, we write a and the article should be ignored. But suppose author's title, if a title has no author, suppose author is not given, then alphabetize it by the first significant word, any word. So then that significant word we have to take out, and then we have to follow alphabetical order, right? So this is a rule. And example is, that's a for example, for an article the format includes the author and the article title, the journal name, volume and issue numbers, the year and page number, for example. So this is the way of writing: author, then first name, then article title, and then journal title, volume, year with year, and then page number, right? So for example, that's a Jelko, that's a author, first name Mark, then article, right? That's a Paul Rayon, Sarah Cotton, and Rudy Berger, right? So this is the name of the author, and then the impact of training, the trainers, that's a title, for helping tsunami survivor children on Sri Lankan disaster volunteers workers. This way we have to write the article in inverted comma, and then International Journal of Stress Management, that's a title, right? And then page number. So this is the page number, this way. So that is short information, but I'm repeating. My major concern for this video is only to make you understand about the bibliography, how to write bibliography. So I'm repeating. First, we should mention the last name of the author, author's last name or surname, then first name, then book title, then place of publication, then publisher, and then year. So please, these 6 things you should keep in mind, right? Example, we have seen, that's a repeating, I'm repeating author's last name, right? This is, then author's first name. So this one is, sorry, this one is first name, so that's a first name, okay? Then book title, so this is the book title, right? And then this the book title, okay? Then place of publication, so place of publication, sorry, this is place of publication, right? And then uh, publisher, so that's a publisher. Here we have discussed already, publisher, this is the publisher, and then the year. So this way, so please take care and do it whenever you do somewhere research paper or synopsis or uh, bibliography. Whenever you mention bibliography, so you have to follow this order, okay?